Hello friends, it's me Sulesh. Today I'm going to show in Photoshop how you can make a GIF animation image. Here you can see three layer I already make. The first one is background, the image layer. The second one it's a button for get offer. Then third one also another button for get offer. But different color button, two buttons here. I want to make something like this. The GIF file to change the color for the button. To do that, first you need to go to the window tab here. Then you can find a timeline option. If it is your software, the Photoshop software is old version, you can find, maybe you cannot see timeline here, you will see maybe animation option there. You just click on the animation so you can get that. So I'm going to click a timeline here. So you will get a timeline window. There you can find create a frame animation. Directly click on the create frame animation. Then you will get one frame there. So I need one more frame. So I'm going to click on this duplicate option to add a more frame. So I added two. If you want more, you can add. So I just want two only. So I'm going to delete this. The other one also. So I just want two frames only. So in first frame, I don't want this second button. So I'm going to off here from this small eyeball there. You can off. And second frame, I want to on this, and other one I will off. So first button I will off in the second frame, and first frame I will off the second button. So now we can see there is a two frame with the two buttons there. So let me play and check here. Down you can see the play button for the timeline window. So it's working, but it's too fast. So I want to change the timing here. So I want to select both frames. So I will select one, then I will click on the control button to select another one also. So both of the frames selected. Now any of the one frame, you can see the 0 second there is mentioned. Right side you will see small drop down arrow button. Click on that, then you can see the delay option here. So 0.1 second, 0.2 seconds, like that. I will put 0.2 second. Let me check the, so both of them it will change 0.2 second. Then I will play and check. So it's working. And we can try maybe the 0.1 second also we can try how it is. So I'll put 0.1 second, both of them change. Okay, I think for me I will just choose the 0.2 second option. The other one I think it's too fast. So depend on that, what is the delay option you need, you can set it up there. And now in case if you want more delay there, if it is something like more products there, you want to change a different products. So what you can do, any of the default option here, or you can put other option, then you can give the value here. The manually you can give. So for now I just keep 1 second, sorry, 2 second. Okay, so now it's already done. So now we need to save this. So you can click on the file button, then there will be option export button. Then you can see save for web. Some software you can find out the save for web option here in this same panel. Now for this version, I'm going to click on this export, from there save for web. Then you can see the panel here that you need to make sure it's a GIF is selected, GIF file is selected. After that here you can see forever it's selected or no, so it's continue to play. So that's all. Then you can click the save button here down. So save button, then where you want to save, there you can save. For example, I'm going to save in desktop. Just I will mention here, so then the name, and okay, I'm going to save this. So it's already saved. Okay, it's already saved here. So I'm going to open this. it's working. You can see it's working. And this is GIF file. You can upload it in social media, Facebook or Instagram or any platform, so it will work. So I hope the video is useful for you. If you have any question, you can comment. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe the channel, also press the bell icon. See you on next video. Take care.